Georgia's hidden predator bill will officially be signed into law by Governor Nathan Deal on Tuesday. It took months of meetings, lobbying, and backroom politics to get to this point. But what does it mean both for victims and their alleged predators? Well, News 3's Andrew Davis is joining us now with the answers. Andrew?
That's a lot of questions for a lot of folks out there. It starts with a 2-year discovery rule, a 2-year retroactive window for accusers to file civil suits. Those are actually two of the major points in the new law, which is designed to give victims of abuse a voice. But what does it mean really, and is it enough?
1 in 4 girls and 1 in 6 boys are sexually abused before they're 18 years old.
Children abused by clergy, teachers, relatives.
The median age is 9 years old.
The people responsible remain on the streets, never facing a judge or jury.
Only 1 in 10 ever tell.
Angela Williams was one of those victims herself, now an advocate for the voiceless.
It's really us survivors that know the pain and know the trauma and know what it does to your life.
Her life's work helping others. The Voice Today CEO was one of the leaders in Atlanta helping get the hidden predator bill through the legislature.
We're dealing with not even an epidemic, but a pandemic.
The law isn't just designed to stop sexual abuse now, but to focus on older victims, the ones over 18, the ones whose statute of limitations had run out.
Victims of child sexual abuse or child rape need to know that they'll have 2 years from July 15th, 2015 to 2017 to file a civil suit against their perpetrator.
But the bill was watered down in committee and isn't ideal.
I think that puts a lot of burden on our court system. I think it puts another barrier of entry to victims in having to prove discovery, so there's a trial with a judge, not a jury.
Williams believes it will still benefit those victimized in the past and children who may be victims now.
As victims come forward and as victims disclose in criminal court and in civil court, it gives courage for another victim to come forward.
Courage which could keep another child safe.
I think it's time that we stand up and we protect the next generation of children.
Williams says there's still a stigma on victims that many are lying about what happened. But if you look at the numbers, false disclosure of abuse is between 2 and 10%, no different than any other crime. Now she plans to work for an even stronger predator bill in the next legislative session, and that 2-year window for victims to file suit this year starts July 15th. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3.